Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
That is Farmers Market fresh organic asparagus. Oh, that's beautiful. We've got some, well, I mean, asparagus is a pointer. We've got some olive oil, salt, pepper. It's that easy. Mike Foster here. Today I'm going to go show you how to grill asparagus perfectly. It's as simple as this. Let me dress this guy and I'll meet you over at the grill. That easy. So what you want to do first is just put just a little olive oil on. Not that much because it's going to go on a grill and we don't want the grill to flame up. Now a little salt. Perfect. And just some bunch of black pepper. All right, this baby's ready to go to the grill. I'll meet you right there. Let's get this going, and we're going to put these asparagus down like this. This is a hot grill, as you can see. Let's spread it around. I want to get each one down. There you go. Perfect. And it's going to be simple. You got a good grill. It's about 400 degrees, 450. Cover it. I'll check in a couple minutes. That simple. All right, it's been about 4 minutes. Let's just start turning these guys over. Look how gorgeous they are. Yeah. These seconds are cooking. Get those guys in the back there. Turn them over. Give me the old flipperoo. See that? That's grilling up there really good. So let's get these guys flipped. You can see the grill marks right there. You see them right there? Yeah. A couple more cracks of salt. Oh, that's enough. That's it for the salt. A little more pepper. Cover it up. Let's go a few more minutes. This baby will be done. Be perfect grilled asparagus. All right, it's been a couple more minutes. Oh, these babies are ready. Check them out. That sucker's ready. I'll meet you inside. We'll have a nice bite of these perfect grilled asparagus. I can't wait. Okay, check those guys out. Man, those are perfect grilled asparagus. Can't wait for a bite. How to make perfectly grilled asparagus. Just like this guy right here. Well, it ain't perfect unless it's... Oh, eat the whole thing. Oh, still juicy. A little char on there. Little sear. Simple with salt and pepper and a little olive oil. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name and keep living life. 365, going out there, trying all kinds of different foods, everything about life. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Perfect. Oh. I can't talk.